GER Detect, with the cooperation with the UIG Detect, has to provide for you the River G. Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll present to you the River G from GER Detect Factory with the cooperation with the UIG Detect. So for the River G, it works with the three-stage system, the geophysical system and the long-range system and the 3D imaging system. The depth of the River G can go with the 1,500 meters and the front range it's up to 3,000 meters. So first we're gonna start with the accessories and then we're gonna go more deep. So shall we start? Let's go. So first we're gonna start with the accessories. We got here 4 props and 4 transmission wires, and we got here the prop for the long range system. Now for the package, we got first the main unit for the long range system. And as you can see here, we got 2 batteries, one of them for the long range system. And we got here an addition paper, so once you are searching in your area and you are done from the searching, you can simply print a report of the results. And you got here a transmission cable. That's the tablet. You can see it as a 3D imaging. We're gonna use it right now. And we got here also the charges. First, we're gonna open the tablet and we're gonna go to the River G application. Then we got here the settings. You got language CE certificate and you can check the warranty. We're gonna click back. You got battery, MAC address, serial number, everything. We're gonna go with a new search. It will direct us to geophysical system in the main unit. Okay, now we're gonna turn on the device. First, we need to have the battery. We're gonna connect it to the main unit. We're gonna turn on the battery. Then we're gonna click on the power of the device. Now once the device is turned on, we're gonna go first to the settings. You got brightness, volume and test. You can decrease it or increase the brightness and the volume, and you can make a quick test before you start searching. We're gonna click back. You got here 4 languages. We're gonna go with English. Then you have to choose the continent. If you are in Africa, you're gonna choose Africa. Then you got the countries. You need to choose the country that you are living in. We're gonna go with Zambia, for example. Then we have to choose the geophysical system. Then we got here the soil type, and you have to choose the soil type according to the nature of the land. We're gonna go with mixed, for example. Then we got here the props distance. It should be equal to the distance made between the props, and once you implant the props into the ground with the transmission wires, you need to make sure that there is at least 10 meters between the props. We're gonna go with a 10 meters, for example. Once we are done, we're gonna click OK. And now the device starts scanning the area. Now we're gonna go with the long range system. Then we got the front range, it's up to 3,000 meters. You can choose 500, 1,000, it's up to you. I'm gonna go with the 3,000 meters. Now we have an addition props for the long range. As you can see here, we're gonna connect the wire on the long range prop. Then we're gonna connect it into the device. As you can read here, it will have the long range port. Now it's start working and searching up to 3,000 meters. Then we're gonna grab the main unit of the long range system. We're gonna choose English for the languages. We got here the soil type also. As you can see, we're gonna go with mixed, for example. Then the front range, it's up to 3,000 meters. You can choose it from 500, 1,000, 1,500. It's up to you. I'm gonna go with the 3,000 meters. Then once it's done, we're gonna click OK. And now the device is ready to use. And now if you are still interested or you got any question, don't be hesitate to contact us. As usual, it was Muhammad from Ground Detectors.